In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert arrow symbol in PowerPoint. If you want to point something out clearly on a slide, show direction, or make a process easier to understand, arrows are one of the most useful shapes you can add in PowerPoint. The good news is that inserting one is very simple, and once you know where to find the options, you can also customize it to match the look of your presentation. To begin, go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint and click on Shapes. This opens a menu with a wide range of shape options that you can add to your slide. In this menu, look for the arrow choices. You'll usually find them under the Lines section and also under Block Arrows. At this point, choose the type of arrow you want. If you want a thinner, simpler arrow, use one of the options under Lines. These are great for clean diagrams, labels, or pointers. If you want something more noticeable and bold, choose one of the block arrows instead. These have more thickness and are useful when you want the arrow to stand out more visually on the slide. After selecting your arrow, move your cursor onto the slide. Then click and drag to draw the arrow. As you drag, you can control the size and direction, so take a moment to place it where it best supports your content. If needed, you can always adjust the position or size afterward, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. Once the arrow is on the slide, you can customize how it looks. Click on the arrow to select it, then go to the Shape Format tab. From there, open the Shape Outline menu. This is where you can change the arrowhead style, adjust the thickness, and choose a different color. These formatting options are helpful if you want the arrow to match your theme, become easier to see, or fit better with the rest of your design. A simple tip here is to keep your arrow style consistent throughout the presentation. If you use one color and thickness on one slide, using the same style on other slides can make everything look more polished and professional. That's all it takes to insert an arrow symbol in PowerPoint. Open Insert, select Shapes, choose the arrow style you want, draw it onto the slide, and then use Shape Format and Shape Outline to refine the appearance. Once you practice it once or twice, it becomes a very quick and easy part of building clear, effective slides.